All right, you guys, here are the different types of waves. This one was with the concentrator or cake attachment. This one was with the platypus attachment. I'll get better videos tomorrow, but they're still wet. We just poured them, so I just wanted to show you what they look like right now. This was with no attachment, just a regular heat gun. All of the heat gun ones are full airflow and full heat, like 100% on both. This one was with the torch and tilt. Again, I'll take better video of these tomorrow after they have set. I just wanted to give you guys an update as we go. And this is the reverse wave that I did on request. It was with the platypus attachment. We'll see how that setups. That's not words. We'll see how that sets up. But yeah, they're all beautiful. They just have a little bit of a difference depending on what your wave style is. Would dictate what kind of heat source you use. If you want to see how I did all of these or any of these, refer to the previous video. And let me know what your favorite is. It's hard for me to decide. I think it depends on what kind of wave I'm feeling on a particular day. You know? Anyways, thank you guys. Bye.